Ever wondered why studying feels like climbing Everest without a guide? Well, you're not alone. Across the globe, students grapple with common challenges: how to manage time effectively, how to prioritize tasks, and how to retain information. Some of us feel like we're swimming against the current, and it's not because we're not smart enough or don't work hard enough. It's often because we haven't discovered the right study habits that work for us. Now, imagine if you had a roadmap, a compass to navigate through these challenges. That's where we come in. Our aim is to empower you with practical tips and strategies, not just to survive your study journey, but to thrive in it. We'll explore how to plan your study time, prioritize your tasks, and even the magic of taking breaks. Mastering the art of studying isn't as hard as you might think. It just requires the right approach. So buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. Imagine having a roadmap for your study journey. Wouldn't that make things easier? This is the power of planning. It's like having a GPS for your academic endeavors, guiding you through the terrain of textbooks, notes, and assignments. Having a study schedule, a plan, is not just about knowing what to study and when. It's about carving out time for your mind to absorb information, to question, to learn. It's about setting daily goals that keep you focused and on track. Each ticked-off task is a small victory, a step closer to your destination. But remember, a plan is not a rigid framework that restricts you. Rather, it's a flexible guide that can adapt to your needs, your pace, your learning style. It's your personal tool, tailored to help you maximize your potential. So embrace the power of planning. It's not just about getting through your studies. It's about owning them, making them a part of you. Remember, a well-planned study schedule is your roadmap to academic success. Ever found yourself overwhelmed by the mountain of study materials in front of you? It's a common situation we've all been in, but there's a way out, and it's called the art of prioritization. Imagine your study tasks as a pile of rocks. Some are big, some are small, and you need to fit them all into your jar of time. The trick is to start with the biggest rocks, the tasks that carry the most weight in terms of importance and deadlines. These could be your major assignments, your toughest subjects, or the chapters you struggle with most. Now, how do you identify these big rocks? Here's where tools like a priority matrix or the Eisenhower box come into play. They help you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance, facilitating the decision-making process. Remember, it's not about doing more things in less time, but about doing the right things at the right time. Prioritizing your tasks isn't just about managing your time, it's about managing your focus. Ever felt like your brain is about to explode after hours of non-stop studying? We've all been there, diving deep into a sea of information, trying to grasp every detail, every concept, utterly convinced that the more time we spend studying, the more we'll understand. But here's a little secret: that's not necessarily the case. Enter the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The concept is simple yet effective. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat. This cycle, known as one Pomodoro, keeps your mind sharp and focused, while the short breaks ensure you don't burn out. Why does it work? Well, our brains aren't designed to maintain high levels of concentration for extended periods. They need time to rest and recharge. When we push ourselves to study non-stop, we're fighting our brain's natural rhythm. And that's when things start to feel overwhelming. But it's not just about taking breaks. It's about how you spend them. Sitting and staring at a wall for 5 minutes might not cut it. Your brain needs a change of pace. So get up, stretch, take a walk, grab a snack, or play a quick game. Do something completely unrelated to your studies. You see, these leisure activities aren't just fun. They're essential for your brain's well-being. They provide a mental reset and allow your brain to process and consolidate the information you've just learned. So when you return to your studies, you're not only more focused, but you're also better equipped to retain and understand new information. And here's the best part: you can tailor the Pomodoro Technique to suit your needs. If 25 minutes seems too short, extend it. If 5 minutes isn't enough for a break, take 10. The key is to find a balance that works for you. Remember, breaks are not a waste of time. They are essential pit stops that recharge your brain. So the next time you find yourself drowning in a sea of textbooks, take a break. Your brain will thank you. Ever wished for a companion on your study journey? Well, we're here to tell you you're not alone. allow us to introduce our new study vlog channel, Bookmarks The Study Journey. We've created this space as a beacon for all those navigating the exciting, sometimes overwhelming world of learning. Our aim is to make studying an adventure we embark on together, rather than a solitary endeavor. On Bookmarks The Study Journey, we'll be sharing our day-to-day routines, our study times, and our goals. We'll be pulling back the curtain to give you an inside look at the life of dedicated learners and hopefully inspire you to enhance your own study habits. We understand that every study journey is unique, and that's why we'll be offering a variety of insights. Whether you're an early bird who loves to start the day with a good read or a night owl who finds peace in the quiet hours, you'll find something that resonates with you on our channel. Not only will we be sharing our routines and study times, but we'll also be discussing our daily goals. We all know how crucial it is to set achievable targets each day. It's not just about crossing items off a to-do list. It's about progressing on a path of knowledge and personal growth. We'll show you how we set our goals and, more importantly, how we approach achieving them. But studying isn't just about hitting the books. It's also about maintaining a balanced lifestyle. That's why we'll also be sharing tips on how to take care of your mental and physical health while pursuing academic excellence. We believe that a healthy mind and body are the foundation of a successful study journey. So, if you're ready to transform your study habits, we're here to support you every step of the way. We're excited to share our journey with you and can't wait to see where this shared adventure leads us. Join us on this journey because studying is not a solitary voyage, it's a shared adventure.